You're looking at the future of radio. Virtual radio from Lawo. This is Lawo R3LAY VRX8, and it defines a whole new product category with the introduction of fully PC-based audio mixing, processing, bus assignments, and more, while also leaving you with full and concurrent use of the PC for other important things. With R3LAY, you can host an entire studio's worth of broadcast tools on a single PC. With Lawo R3LAY VRX8, you get up to 24 stereo sources mapped to up to 8 faders, which are reassignable via multiple fader snapshots, based on what sources you need access to at any given time. The R3LAY On-Air 4 audio interface is your gateway to both the analog and digital worlds wherever you need it. The robust On-Air 4 interface includes 4 mic line level inputs with XLR and quarter-inch jacks, 4 independently powered headphone outputs, 2 pairs of analog outputs, both XLR and quarter-inch, 1 SPDIF AES3 in, 1 SPDIF AES3 out, 5 GPIs, and 5 GPOs, and is linked to the VRX8 application via native AES67 Ravenna audio connectivity. It can also be powered by Power over Ethernet or an external 12-volt power supply. VRX8 is a flexible interface designed to give you full-screen mixing when you need it, and can be docked to the top of the screen to get out of the way and let you use other desktop applications when you want to, all while keeping an eye on things that matter, such as output levels, function keys, and the timer. Beyond the approachable user interface, R3LAY has an astounding level of customizable features built within the administration pages. You can assign up to 24 stereo sources to 24 inputs that you can then map to multiple combinations of fader assignments and give real names to. Lawo R3LAY VRX8 also provides 3 virtual output buses for program, record, and cue PFL, which themselves can be assigned to multiple destinations including multiple analog and digital outputs on the On-Air 4 audio interface, network connections such as AES67 Ravenna, or to other destinations on the same PC, such as telephone software codecs, IP transmission codecs, recording and editing software, and more. R3LAY VRX8 provides extremely flexible and definable user function keys which can be assigned to trigger the timer, change a GPO state, such as for on-air lamp or sign indicators, mute an audio channel, such as for a guest microphone, execute a script, and much more. Here are some examples of VRX8's global settings. Tabs such as General, Audio, On-Air 4 Interfacing, AES67 Ravenna, Audio Patching, GPIs and GPOs, Remote Connectivity, Processing, Status of the System, Logging, and of course the important About Information page. As you can see, Lawo's R3LAY VRX8 application has been built from the ground up for maximum flexibility, ease of use, reliability, and simplicity. For more information, please check out the R3LAY.com website where you can download fully functional applications. Thank you for checking out Lawo's R3LAY VRX8 Virtual Radio Mixer.